Hello and welcome to this class, Day Trading Profit Secrets. And I say a big congratulations to you for being a part of this exclusive free class because you are not going to learn this anywhere. What you are going to be exposed to in this class, you cannot see it on the internet. So I say to you again, congratulations. In this class, I'm going to be unveiling to you the exclusive secret to earning consistent profit as a day trader. Is that one of your goals? To get to a level where you consistently earn profit in the market as a trader? Are you already an experienced trader, new to the market, or you're just aspiring to be a trader? Well, whatever you are in your journey as a trader, I say you are welcome to this class. This class is for you, whatever you are on your journey, because you are going to be learning even from the very basic. We'll take you by the hands. And guess what? This is just a short training. You're going to be learning this because I'm going to go straight to the point to show you exactly what you need. Okay? At this point, I would say please do away with all distraction and get your pen and paper handy. You would have a lot to jot down. All right, so let's go. Who is Olugbemi? Who is this person talking to you? I'm a mother, first of all. I'm a chartered accountant, financial consultant. I worked in the banking sector, investment banking sector precisely, as an auditor for about 8 years before I resigned in 2015 to do my own thing. And currently, I'm founder of MS Africa Academy. I'm a currency trader and coach, and you can refer to me as a currency trading consultant or teacher. All right. Now, on Facebook, I have a group of about 13,000 traders, experienced traders, new traders, aspiring traders coming together to trade right, to learn more about trading. I share different free trading tips, teachings, trainings, and all that on the group. So you may want to be a part of us on this group. Just go on Facebook and search for Money Sellers Africa Forex Trading Academy. You can do a screen grab of this to search for. To go directly, you use this link to get there. Okay. And I also have a Telegram channel that you may want to join. Money Sellers Africa. You'll see it on Telegram, and you can go straight through this link, t.me moneysellersafrica.com. All right, and I am a YouTuber as Gbemi Money Seller. So let's get together. Let's connect on the social media space. So let's be a part of all I have just showed you. Okay, so now let's go into the main detail of the day trading profit secret. Are you ready to learn this? Do you want me to unveil this right now? Well, let's get going. Let's start from the very basic. What is currency trading? I'm doing this for the sake of the new people amongst us who are seeing this and, just getting to know about currency trading. So I'm going to briefly touch what currency trading is about. Currency trading is basically exchange of currencies. You are traveling out of your country and you know that you are going to need the currency of the other country. What do? You're going to exchange your currency that you have here. Perhaps you have Naira with you or you have cedis. You exchange it with US dollar if you're going to the US, for instance. What have you done that day? You've been involved in the foreign exchange market for that day. Now, the only difference is that you are not doing it because you want to profit. But as traders, we are doing it for the opportunity or for the sake of making profit from the market. We know that the power of demand and supply of currency affect the value of currency. It fluctuates, it goes up and it falls sometimes. And we take advantage of the fact that it can go up and it can fall to trade and make money for ourselves. So that's basically what we do here in the market. Okay? And there are a lot of benefits to trading. Like I said, if it is going up, you're buying. If it is falling, you're selling. So that means you trade both ways. Amazing, isn't it? If it is dropping, you can sell. And this is the market where you can enter with a very limited capital. You don't need the millions like I used to think when I just started trading. When I just heard about trading, I thought you needed, some millions like the banks. I thought this was meant for just the banks, borrow the change and all that. No, as an individual retail trader, you can trade with even as little as $100, $200 in this market. Amazing, isn't it? You don't need to start chasing after people, begging them to come and do business with you. This is not network marketing. You can trade from anywhere in the world because from your smart device, you are good to go. So we have so much benefit. But then you may ask, why the high rate of failure? Despite all of this huge benefit, why is it that there is high rate of failure? People say that over 90% of people fail in this market. Are you failing? Have you found yourself in the situation where you lose money consistently and you blow accounts? Well, this is the simple answer. You have been trading the hard way. What does that even mean, you may ask? There's a hard way to trading, and there is an easy yet effective way of trading. But if you have been blowing your account consistently, like I used to do when I just started trading, it only means one thing. You have chosen that way of trading. And this is time for you to leave it and move to the easier way and more effective way of trading. You probably have found yourself in this situation where you fund your account and before you know it, you lose it back to zero. Have you been there? I have been there a couple of times. If you are looking for one person who have blown so much in the market, they've once gone bankrupt, I probably would be one of those. I lost almost all my money to this market before I finally gave myself brain and I decided to go deep and search for the knowledge that I require to know exactly what to do to be able to trade that because I know that there are people doing it right in this market. And if there are humans like me doing it right, then there must be a way. So I went in search of the truth and I found it. And guess what? I've been able to do well for myself as a trader and not just for myself, even for others, many hundreds and even thousands that I've coached to learn to trade right. So now, perhaps you've been trading in one of these hard ways. What is this hard way of trading? What are these hard ways or wrong ways of trading? One, trading without plans. Have you ever found yourself in this situation where you are trading without any plan? Do you have your trading plan? If you don't have, you are trading the wrong way. Trading without risk management. You forgot that we cannot control this market. This is the largest financial market in the world. Over $6 trillion per day market. Your $1,000, your $100, your $200 cannot control it. They can't go anywhere in the market to control that market. So what do? You need to learn to manage your risk. A lot of people don't even use stop loss. That is wrong. No tested trading system. Many people don't even have any trading style that they are using. They just trade whatever they see. Some are fully dependent on signals, copy trade, bot trading. They cannot analyze the market on their own. As a trader, professional trader who wants to be consistent in the market, you must be able to take accountability of your trade. You must be accountable for every trade you take. You must be able to know exactly why you are in the trade. You need to be able to analyze the chart on your own. And improper trading psychology is another thing. Many professional traders will tell you that psychology is 80% of trading. So you need to get it right. Are you trading in all of these ways? In any of these ways? Perhaps that's what has been holding you back. But guess what? You don't need to beat yourself up. If you are not getting the results that you desire, it is not your fault. The gurus are hiding the truth away from you. You don't need signals or copy trades to succeed in trading. You can do it yourself. Do you believe that? Would you like to learn to do it yourself? Then be with me on this. Another truth I want you to know tonight is that you can make consistent profit and build wealth trading currencies even if you're entirely new to the market. Now, how can you do this? How can you easily attain consistent profit day trading currencies on your own even if you're entirely new to the market? How can you do that? At this point, I want you to do something for yourself. I want you to put on your thinking cap and just imagine this, that you can trade maybe many times, even 20, 10 times, but at the end of the week, you have 5 profitable trades net per week at $500 each. And that is $2,000 per week, and that is $10,000 per month. Over 4 million naira per month. Amazing, isn't it? I'm not saying, no, I'm not sweet mouthing you. I don't do that. I'm not saying that with $100, you can, within 2 months, you can get to this level. No, that's not what I'm saying. But guess what? Even if it's going to take you a few years to get to this level, where you can, even if you grow consistently from small money and you get to this level, where you can earn this every single month, will it be worth it? Do you know that I'm a chartered accountant, like I said earlier? I worked in the banking sector for about 8 years. Do you know that at the end of that 8 years, I wasn't earning more than 300,000 naira per month as at the time I was resigning? That is like some 750 to $800 per month. As at the time I was resigning, despite my qualification and despite the number of years I spent in the bank. Now, if you can get this yourself to that level before those huge number of years, will it be worth it? Are you willing to learn how to do this? I know your answer is yes. So let's go. Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. I know that you, my friend, do not desire to work until you die. So you need to learn to do it right. Using trading as one of the mechanics to get you to that level. So let's go. How can you do it? Before we proceed, I want to tell you that at MS Africa Academy, we consistently deliver six-figure solutions to our students every single month. However, results are not typical. I'm going to show you specific strategies that we adopt to make consistent profits in trading. However, these results are not typical. I do not guarantee that the strategies I'm going to show you will take you straight to six figures in trading. However, I am willing to show you what has been working for us, what has been working for me for free today. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not for dabblers. It is not for merely curious people. I hope you get that right. And are you ready now to learn more? Are you ready to go along with me in learning the easy way to attain consistent profits, day trading currencies on your own, even if you're entirely new to the market? Well, let's get going. One of the very first thing you want to do is you want to know your kind of trader. What kind of trader are you? Some people don't know because they are dependent on signal providers. So whatever ways they find, whether the signals they are giving them is meant for swing traders and they are day traders, they just take it with it. Whether it is for scalpers, they don't know, they just take it. You shouldn't be like that. A professional traders know what it's doing. Okay? So there are different traders in the market. We have the scalpers who are the very short-term traders who, they based on the very short time frames like minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and they take trades and they close it within a very short period during the day. We have day traders who take short-term trading. They are also short-term traders, but their own trades are more specified, more organized, and they can trade and let it run within the day, and they can leave their trade running to close at the end of the day or within the next 24 hours. And then we have the swing traders who are more of mid-term to longer term traders. These are where we have more of people who are busy trader during the day. They have a day job, they have other things they do. They just want to be able to run a trade, leave it to run on its own without having to sit in front of the computer and watching, So this is for swing trader. Then we also have position traders who are more like investors who can leave their trade running for months. For swing traders, they can leave their trade running for weeks. Even sometimes they can get 1 month or so, but not months, not into months, not running into months. They are more like mid to long-term traders. Okay, so we have different ones, and you should know where you are. You need to be able to analyze your kind of person as an individual, and then let it fit the kind of trader you are. So now, today we are choosing this second one, day traders. We are focusing more on day traders. What can you do to trade right as a day trader? Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to know how to analyze and make consistent profit as a trader. How do you do that? Let's analyze the market together. Let's go into the market and let me show you a simple way of analyzing the markets. Are you ready? Yeah, I know you are. So this is the chart. This is what the chart looks like. And why do we come to this chart? We want to come and learn the behavioral pattern of traders. This is what the chart basically shows us. It shows us what the traders are doing in the market. This is the exchange rate on the side. This is the time. This is the currency we are trading. This is the time frame. So we are on the weekly time frame right now. You may be wondering, we are talking about day traders. Why weekly? Because the weekly time frame shows us more specifically what the real direction is. The higher time frame, monthly, weekly. You can even go as far as monthly. See what the direction of the market is. Now, how do you identify the direction of the market? You want to be able to know what they call trend analysis. You want to be able to know what the trend of this market is. So, what is a trend? We have uptrend, we have downtrend, we have sideways moves in the markets. Now, this market, if you look at it, it is an uptrending market. You see, the value is coming from here around 1.40 all the way it went up to 1.42. Okay, so now we have what we call higher highs and higher lows. What does that mean? When it forms a high, it goes up, forms a high. That is the high. The new high it forms is higher than this one, so that's a higher high. And then the lows that it form, when it comes down, it forms low. This new one is higher than this. That's how you will know that this is an uptrending market. And this is what I mean by that. The market moves like this. It goes here, it stops, and then it turns and begins to come down. Okay? And then it stops here again. Okay? And then it moves again and it goes up. And it stops here, and it moves again, and it comes down, it stops here, and then it moves again, it gets here, and then now it is coming down. So now, why do I say this is an uptrending market? Because we have series of higher highs and higher low. This new high that is formed is higher than this initial high. Look at the value here. The value at this point is not as high as this. So this new high is higher than this. This new is higher than this. Then the lows that are formed, this low is higher than where it is coming from. This new low is higher in terms of price than this. This place we are is higher than this. So this tells us that this is an uptrending market. In an uptrending market, what are you looking for? You are looking for buy opportunity because the market is trending up. The value is increasing. So you too want to move based on the direction of the market. The value is increasing. What do? You buy so that as the value increases, you sell and you make your profit. Okay, but then we also have what we call retracement in the market. As it is moving up, you see that it doesn't just go one straight way. It moves up, it retraces. Now this retracement, as a day trader especially, this is weekly time frame, by the way. The retracement, just this short move from here to here, you can make huge profit for yourself as day trader. So currently we are in a retracement and it is selling. So what do? You can take advantage of the retracement and do some sell before it continues to go up. And by the time you see it making a move to begin going up again, you jump in and you begin to do your buy. Now, when you are doing your buy, you can confidently do more buys because you know that the main direction is up. But currently, because it is trending down, you don't know how long it's going to go. Maybe 50% of this move or 25% of it, but as it is coming down, you can make some profit for yourself, perhaps up to this area. It may come down up to this area before it proceeds, especially as a day trader. As a swing trader, someone may feel, okay, well, I'll wait, let it complete the move. It is actually best to trade based on the direction of the market, which in this case is up, okay? But as a day trader, you can still take advantage of the correction, which is happening right now. So you take advantage of the correction, you do some sell, perhaps up to this point, and then when it begins to move up, you continue with the trend. And if the trend changes at this point and continues to go down, you also continue to do your sell. So that's basically that. Now, As a day trader, you don't need to enter your trade on this time frame, because this is weekly and you can't keep your trade running for weeks. So you go to lower time frame. You can go to 30 minutes or 15 minutes depending on where you enter from, and then you go and analyze there and look for entry for what you are seeing here. Because it is correcting now, you are looking for sell. It is currently in a sell trend. It is going down, so you are looking for sell. If it continues back up as it is the normal trend, then you'll be looking for buy. So you go to your lower time frame, let's say 15-minute time frame, and you go and analyze there, and you look for some short sell. Okay, so you look for that for yourself, and then you need to know what we call entry rules. You need to have your own entry rule to know exactly when you want to enter the trade and when you want to exit the trade. Very important. Okay, now these are some of the trades that we have taken based on our day trading strategies. We have different strategies that we enter trades with on day trading. This is the before and this is the after. You see, it was here at this point, but guess what? It got here at this point at the time of closing the trade. And then this one was a sell. It was coming down. We enter somewhere around here, and guess what? It continues to go. We added more trades and it got to our take profit and even surpassed the initial take profit we were looking at. And we ended that trade with multiple trades. This is another one that we enter using this some of our strategies in addition to this head and shoulder or swept pattern. And you see, it was we enter somewhere around here, and this was take profit one, this was our take profit two, and yes, it got there. We added an extra trade and we took multiple trades, even lower than the points where we wanted to take profit before. So these are some of the easy way we analyze, look into the market, analyze it, and then we take our trade. It's very important for you to know what they call top-down analysis, and that's what I just showed you. We go to higher time frame and then we analyze it down to lower time frame. Another thing you want to have in mind is risk management. You want to understand that you do not have power over the market. So it is very important that you control and manage your risk as a trader. Okay? Now, for me, I believe a lot in results over hype. I don't hype. I don't tell you, oh, just bring $100, $200. You can trade. If I show you this strategy, you can multiply your $100 to $10,000 in 2 weeks. No, that is not how the market works. But guess what? We have results to show, a lot of it. I also started trading just like you probably are trading right now. I lost a lot of money to the market. I was blowing accounts here and there. But guess what? I finally discovered a way to trade right. And my results are showing me. Not just my results, but also that of my students. And I have some of them here saying amazing things about what they have learned from the Money Sellers Academy. This is Sam Smith. I'm not going to read everything he said. He said, I've been trading for the last year, but never felt I had the trader's edge that I had kept hearing about in terms of consistent results and an exact time to plan towards. Then towards the end, he said, I can't thank you enough in sharing with me your knowledge and expertise in how to trade Forex, most especially trading, teaching me the mental aspect of trading. I just wanted to say that since trading your methods, my P and L is finally positive. Amazing, isn't it? This is Kabir Rafolayan. He said something. He said, joining Money Sellers Academy has been a dream come true. I have been trained to analyze charts independently, and that alone has built up my confidence and accept me financially. I really appreciate my mentor and founder of this academy. I have Isaac, who also says some amazing things. He said he can boast anywhere that the trading skill he acquires from the academy is top notch. I can now face the market with no fear of losing my capital. I now independently take my trades and minimize my loss while making profit at the same time. Isn't that just amazing? We also have women. It's not just for men. Hada also said amazing things, but I'm not going to read all of them so that as not to waste your time. And this one lady I really also appreciate. Blessing, isn't it? I'm not able to put her whole full picture, but I decided to post this here. If you join the group, you are going to see it. Just search her name on the group. She posted this on the group. She talks about how she joined the academy and all that. And I just really want to show you this analysis. It's amazing. So a new trader especially, look at some of what she got here. She's using the very lowest lot size 0.01. But guess what? She's able to get all of this because this alone gave her over 350 pips, 358 pips, a new trader on one trade. This one gave her 135 pips. Amazing, isn't it? You can do this and even better. At this point, I want you to go again. Put on your thinking cap and just imagine that you can get to this level where you can earn consistent over $10,000 per month. And I'm not saying that immediately. You will not get there now, but you will surely get there. Now, let's go on. What is the new rule of money? That's a question I have for you today. My mentor once told me that the rule of money changed in 1971. Do you have an idea of what the new rule of money is? It's one word: knowledge. The new rule of money is knowledge. You see, if there's anything I'm doing differently today, if there's a way I am trading that is helping me to make money in this market, and you are yet to get to that consistent level of profit, it means that there's something I know that you do not know. And what do you need to do? You need to find a way to learn that thing that I know that you don't know. And that is what you are doing today. And you can go ahead and do more, because what I have taught you today is just a fraction of what I have in store for you. At this point, I say welcome to MS Africa Academy, Money Sellers by MS Africa Academy. At MS Africa Academy, we provide professional Forex trading education from basic through intermediate and advanced level of trading with tested, proven, profitable strategies, rule-based systematic trading system. We help you build your trading plan to suit your kind of trader. We help you learn proper risk and money management that will help you trade as a professional. We give you ebooks, trading books that will help you trade professionally. We support you. We help you choose the right broker to trade with. Okay, so much more. So at this point, I'm introducing you to our Day Traders Arcade, which will help you a long way as a day trader. The Day Traders Arcade is a full training program for short-term traders, which is a full online self-paced video courses that covers basic level through intermediate and advanced level of trading. And as a bonus to you for taking up the academy, you are going to get our advanced level, professional level course, which covers trading plan, risk management and money management, optimizing your strategies for consistent profits, and trading psychology. If you would like to know exactly how this works, you may want to go to our website, Money Sellers Africa Academy, and go to Money Sellers Africa Academy /DT Arcade, or just click on Day Traders Arcade up there. Okay, once you get to Money Sellers Academy, and it's going to take you to this page, and you can scroll down and read more and learn more and see the curriculum of exactly what you're going to learn. And if you want to see the school and see the minutes assigned to each of the courses, you can click on take a look, and it's going to take you to the academy, and you can see everything. You can learn more about the Day Traders Arcade, learn more about your coach, and see the curriculum, see the minutes assigned to them, the basic level. The basic level, you see just basic 1, basic 2, and all that, but each of them have different lessons, like 4 lessons, 3 lessons on some of them. Okay, so this is just basic level. You also see the intermediate level. Then when you are done with the first two level, you move to advanced level, where you are going to learn so many different strategies that will help you trade right. Then you also get to see the professional level that you will get as a bonus. Okay, so these are all you will learn, and aside from this, you will also have access to community support, where you can ask questions, do all of that in the community. You'll be added there, and you will also have the opportunity of joining me to trade directly with me. See my strategies, see my analysis. I give you trade recommendation for being a part of this academy. Okay, the only extra thing you're going to need here, you don't need to pay monthly subscription and all that to be a part of this. The only extra thing is we're going to recommend a broker that you would use to trade. And so you have to be using the broker that we trust to be a part of this for your live account. Okay, so that's it. You're going to learn all of this. Now, all of this that you have just seen, how much is it worth for you to you? How much are you willing to pay to be a part of this academy? Well, let me quickly show you what some people are charging. Maybe that will help you to make a decision. So I have Trading with Venus. She's also a female coach. And if you click on Learn to Trade Forex, you're going to see view course. You're going to see $497. That's what she charges for you to learn from her. And if you are going to continue learning and be in a trade vault, you have to pay $127 per month. And then we also have the IM Academy, where if you are joining the Elite Academy, you will be paying enrolling with 224.9, about $225 first as enrollment, and then every single month you pay around $275 every single month. Okay, 325 is about 150 in naira, 150,000 in naira, and you pay this every month. Okay, so that's huge, right? So are you now thinking, is Bimi going to charge us this too? Is she going to charge like this? She has saying, no, don't worry. Let's go on. Let me show you. Let's first look at the value. What are they worth? What is the day trader basic to advanced level? What is the real value? It is $1,000 for the real value. That is over 400,000 in naira. And then the bonus professional level is worth $600. That is 240,000 naira. And the community support that you're going to get is invaluable. We can't value that because we're not charging you monthly subscription. The trading team access that you're going to access is also invaluable. And the ones that we can value, we have a total of $1,600, and that is over 640,000 naira. One time lifetime access, no monthly subscription. And guess what? 180-day no blown account guarantee. What does that mean? It means that if you follow everything we teach you on this academy, you have no business losing your money. You have no business blowing your account again. And if you blow your account after following everything we teach you, especially on our risk management part, if you still blow your account, then we are promising you today that we refund you 100% of your training fee. Now, am I still going to charge you what I just showed you? Not to worry, I'm not going to charge you $1,600. So what am I going to charge you? Well, the cost for the Day Traders Arcade is just 35,000 naira. That is $87.5. Very small fraction of what the main value is. Isn't that just amazing? And this is the account number to pay with. But I still have something for you. I know some of you who are saying this, you especially looking at this right now, I know you want to take action immediately. Okay? So if you are taking action immediately, I'm giving you an extra bonus. And it's going to be $75 only. That's 30,000 naira. Amazing, isn't it? This is the cheapest you can get this quality of training anywhere. So go now and get started with us immediately. You're going to get all those value for this one-time fee. 30,000 naira only. This is for a very short, limited time. Within now and few days time, I'm going to take this off and it's going to go back to 87.5, which is $35,000 naira. Okay. So if you are paying, you want to do a direct transfer, this is the account number to pay to, or you go online to paysac.com/pay/DTA offer, and you can pay with your card online. Amazing, isn't it? I can't wait to have you. Now, I know you may have some questions, so I have answers to some of your questions. How long will I have access to the course? A minimum of 12 months access, okay? When are classes starting? Well, they are self-paced courses. Access at your own time and pace. You can even watch them within 2 weeks. You may be done even within 1 week, depending on how fast you want to watch. And then you can watch over and over because you will continue to have access to the training. How often do I pay subscription? Well, the monthly subscription is just one-time payment lifetime or at least minimum of 12 months access. When will I access my course? Within 1 hour on payment confirmation. Can I take coaching classes, live interactive classes in addition to these courses? Yes, you can. You just have to pay some extra charge aside from what I showed you if you would like to join the live classes in addition to the self-paced courses you are getting. So thank you so very much for being a part of this class. If you are already a trader and you're a swing trader and you will not learn more, aside from the strategies on day trading, you want to learn more, there is I'm leaving a link down there that can take you to another free course that you can also watch. But don't forget, do your payment right away. Do you can rewind this video and go back to that part where I show the account number to pay to or the uh, link to do the payment. And once you are done with payment, send your evidence of payment to bemihmsa@gmail.com or send me a WhatsApp on this line. Thank you very much for being a part of the class today. Please have a beautiful day ahead.